This is an award bearing the name of von Klitzing. Von Klitzing International Engineering Award, in honor of distinguished work and lifetime achievement of Nobel Laureate in physics for his contribution in international system of units. So, for leadership in developing and applying new engineering methods and technologies for a sustainable development of the company in the environment, economics, and social point of view. Klitzing is very good on this. He will going to congratulate himself, the winner, especially also the Marcus will congratulate the winner, but he couldn't be on Zoom because of the difference of time in Europe. What is important is who is the winner. And the winner is Erik Muijsenberg in glass engineering. Glass engineering. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Get the word. So the word is glass for glass engineering. Glass for glass engineering. Von Klitzing International Engineering Award. So this is for an engineering award for an engineering, plus managing style and VP, but still engineering is more important. If you are an engineer, then you know better how to manage and be a VP of a company, I guess. Correct?
Yes, thank you.
That's the word. Congratulations. And applause. Loud, loud, loud. Again, let's have a little bit here. Our format. Take the picture, Claude. Perfect. You can say a few words.
Thank you, Dr. Kongoli, for this award. I'm happy there's still so much audience here to look at this beautiful piece of glass, because that's, of course, where our industry is working on. Thank you very much.
All by our awards are in glass, by the way.
Yeah, we noticed.
Congratulations.